Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing a trusted PGP tool and generating a key pair because encryption depends on your keys. Choose RSA 3072 or ECC for strong security, set an expiration to limit long-term exposure, and use a memorable but complex passphrase. This protects your private key. Once done, export the public key to share and make an encrypted backup of the private key to a USB or encrypted disk. Make sure to label backups and test the exported key immediately so you avoid mistakes later. You now import and verify recipient public keys because trusting the right key prevents impersonation. Verify fingerprints in person or over a trusted channel, then encrypt the message or file to their public key. This ensures only they can decrypt. Sign with your private key when you need authenticity so recipients know it's really you. Once encrypted, choose ASCII armor for copy-paste email or binary for attachments. Finally, test by decrypting a small sample to confirm keys and formats match before sending important data. You finish by decrypting incoming messages with your private key. Enter the passphrase in a secure prompt so it's not exposed. When sharing, publish your public key to a key server and distribute direct copies. Create and store a revocation certificate in case your key is lost or compromised. If something goes wrong, check common causes, mismatched key ID, expired keys, or a mistyped passphrase. If the recipient can't decrypt, ask them to confirm your public key fingerprint and resend. This resolves most interoperability issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.